This video will help you know how to log on to your assigned WordPress blog website to be able to put all of the artifacts necessary to show your detailed design. You will be creating electronic detailed design on the web. So the first thing you need to do is go to whatever number is your number. So I have created a one just for me to use, spots.com, and then I have to go wp/admin, and it comes to this. So you all have received your username. All of the usernames is sconrad, and then your password is whatever I gave you to be your password. Once you do that, I'm going to say no thanks. I'm going to say okay. It should bring you up to the dashboard. This is the dashboard. And my first recommendation is to go to Appearance and Themes and to pick a theme. So I didn't like any of these themes, so I add a new theme. And the theme that I'm going to use is this Linton theme. But there's many you can pick from that will allow you to save your documents and present your group portfolio. This is what this will be. So we're going to install it. So I'm installing it. And it takes a few seconds. And while it's installing it, there should be 3 pages that we're going to produce. So if I go to look at IT489 Group 5, I visit my site, you're going to see that's not what my site should look like. Oh, I didn't, wait a minute, just let me quickly go back to themes. I did one thing. I need to activate it. So now, if we go to IT, you see it looks different. It's got 2, here's the menu options, home and about. That's what they came with. I want to add some new pages. So the first page, so I go under new page, and the first page I'm going to add is I'm going to add the following page. I'm going to add status report. And this page, each of you should create, I'm going to put a little blurb, but you can put a little more. Okay, and I'm going to go to add media, and I'm going to select a file. I'm going to go to my Dropbox. I'm going to go to this one, status report format, open. I'm going to insert it into the page, and then I'm going to publish it. If you don't publish it, it's not there. So if I go back to my website, visit my site, I have something called status reports. And in status reports, I have the document. It's that simple. The other pages that you should be adding is you should be adding a page for detailed design. And you should be putting everything for your detailed design. You should be adding a page for user requirements. Actually, let's add the page for the why we need to do this. So system rationale, project time frame, and responsibilities. And this is where you'll add your work plan. This is where you're going to add your responsibilities. Your skills inventory should go here for each of the folks. But anyhow, I'm going to publish it. And if I go to my group, here it is. So this is kind of long, so I might go back to this, and I might just change this a little bit. So I might edit this. So edit the page, and I'm just going to say, I'm just going to call it system information. I'm just going to call it just system. Just because that becomes then if you visit the site, that becomes the menu option. Okay, so there are many things you can do. You guys are in your last year of IT, so you can go to the web and you can research all the ways that you can make this electronic medium to be beautiful. I will continually tell you what you need to have out it. Right now, I'm expecting all of the documents that I have talked about that needed to be loaded into Canvas to be on this particular website. On the home page, you should be saying, who are the members of your group? So you can go to Hello World, and I would change that. Home, okay. So it won't be Hello World. It'll be, whatever your group is. Group 5. And I would call it whatever the project is. Project name. Discuss this project, project purpose. Project team members. And project responsibilities. So actually, I want that on the first page. And remember, always update. And if you don't like the appearance, for example, if you look at the appearance and you want to change something simple like the background or the colors, it's very simple. You can customize. And by just customizing it, we can go to colors and select a color. And maybe I want the color, teal. That I've decided that's the color. If I wanted red, I could do that. But let's say I decide I want. So I say that, I save and publish. So you can really design your website to be whatever you want it to be. I go to it, I go to the home, and I say, oh, I'm not sure I like that. I think I want to get rid of the color. I can go back to white, back to black. Black might not be that bad. Save and publish it. And boom. So you can create it to be whatever you want it to be. All right? So I've showed you how to go about doing this. I've showed you how to start to add the documents. At this point, I've sent an email what each of your user IDs, it's all S. Conrad, and the password is going to be whatever I sent you. I will expect these done. So good luck, and I'll look forward to them.